Who is most likely to be on their phones during the shoot? Like most.
You can hide. Hide, but don't go anywhere.
She's gone.
Gone. She's exited the frame. Every time Aahana had even 10 minutes, she'd go behind the studio and start taking photos. In fact, her staff is not paid to do anything else but take photos of her.
Kunal will put up some Italian sojourn ka photo, then he'll put some, I don't know what photos he puts on Instagram also. Oh God, Kunal. I think you should give a challenge to Kunal to speak in Hindi.
Really?
Superb my Hindi is.
ठीक है, इसके बाद इसके आगे मैं पूरा हिंदी में करेंगे because this is English interview. So हम हिंदी में इसके बाद
हिंदी में
अब ये हिंदी में इंटरव्यू स्विच हो गया है.
अब ये हिंदी में होगा. Alright, so today I have with me the star cast of Sandwich Forever joining in, the super talented actors Aahana Kumra and Kunal Roy Kapur. Welcome guys, welcome. How are you?
Very well.
I have a little small quick game for the both of you, which I'm pretty sure कि आप लोगों ने पहले भी किया होगा, which is called Who's Most Likely To, which is just going to be, you can sort of talk about yourself also, or if you want to talk about someone else from all the actors, the star cast that you have. Okay, so for example, if you want to tell me who's most likely to give a one take shot.
Not Kunal.
No, Kunal, do you agree?
Not at all.
No, Kunal is quite funny. I mean, I would just start laughing.
Yeah. Who is most likely to be on their phones during the shoot? Like most.
You can hide. Hide, but don't go anywhere.
She's gone.
Gone. She's exited the frame.
Are you guilty?
Just put your hands up. Yeah. What rubbish? Yeah.
No, yeah. I have the most Instagrammable material.
Instagram.
Achha, so okay. So if I ask you who is most likely to be taking more selfies, is it you, Aahana?
Should I hide again?
Kunal?
No point hiding also now.
1 minute. No, hang on. Divya beats me here.
What rubbish! Yeah, every time Aahana had even 10 minutes, she'd go behind the studio and start taking photos. In fact, her staff is not paid to do anything else but take photos of her. We all take photos of her.
You're just making me badnaam, okay, Kunal?
That is a serious allegation.
Anytime, 10 minutes of Aahana.
Let's not talk about
that
phone.
She's taking photos.
Oh God, that is hilarious.
God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. Who is
I will change my strategy, Kunal. Next time I'll just like jhoko mirchi in your eyes and go.
Now you've told him. So
Now I'm ready.
He's already like doing pole patti, but that's something that nobody doesn't know. So it's okay. Guilty as charged.
Yeah. Who is most likely to forget their lines?
I am guilty of that sometimes. So isn't that does happen?
I don't think you forget your lines.
Not forget, but I mess them up sometimes. Let's put it that way. I remember them, but I say them wrong.
I think you should give a challenge to Kunal to speak in Hindi.
Really?
Superb my Hindi is.
ठीक है. इसके बाद इसके आगे मैं पूरा हिंदी में करेंगे because this is English interview. So हम हिंदी में इसके बाद
हिंदी में
अब ये हिंदी में इंटरव्यू स्विच हो गया है.
अब ये हिंदी में होगा. अच्छा.
मेरे साउथ बॉम्बे के प्रिंस के साथ तुम लोग ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हो.
ये थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई क्योंकि मेरे गेम का नाम तो Who's Most Likely To है तो फंस मैं गई हूँ. मेरे क्वेश्चन नहीं हो सकते. कौन सबसे ज्यादा? Just ruined the game. Okay.
Sorry, yaar.
No, I am putting it. Who is most likely to keep in touch after the completion of a project?
Divya said.
Divya. Yeah.
Yeah.
The most like, yeah. She is really like, you know, she's like this glue.
She's
keeps it up.
good at keeping in touch. Yeah.
She's very good.
How lovely.
I'm the worst.
The rest, Kunal, on the group also, he'll respond. Something will be asked and he'll respond after 5 days. Yeah.
I'm bad at that.
Yeah.
He
That I agree.
Okay, one last one. Who is most likely to spend more time at the gym?
I can leave the frame. I can also leave.
You both are
Oh,
Should we both leave this interview and go?
Yeah, because I'll leave for never going and Aahana will leave for going too much.
Dude, Aahana is like really sort of given us some.
But you don't do the gym as much as running and like this thing. You're more like a fitness kind of person than a gymming kind of person. Yeah.
I've just started the gym, abhi, but I think that's also been after 1 year of like not going. But I've been running quite a bit, yaar. Running and all, to matlab, I think I made Bombay my playground.
The results of which are quite evidently showing in your photos and elsewhere. So.
Now this is the reason I was doing the photo shoot, because the next year na Kunal, I'll go back to looking like the way I used to all these years.
तो ये फोटोज 1 साल तक काम में आ सकती हैं आपके, you know?
हाँ ना, तो एटलीस्ट 1 साल तक मैं सबको दिखा सकती हूँ कि मैं 1 साल पतली थी. उसके बाद अब जो भी
it's called banking. It's called banking your investments. Yes, don't use all the pictures. That's the only advice I'll give you.
I'll keep that.
For next 40 years also you can use it, saying that this is me right now.
Yeah, considering how inactive Kunal is on Instagram, he can use it for 40 years, I'm sure.
Kunal will put up some Italian sojourn ka photo, then he'll put some, I don't know what photos he puts on Instagram also. Oh God, Kunal. You know, Kunal has just done a Telugu film. I bet you can make him speak something in Telugu. It's as good as his Hindi.
Can you say something, Kunal? Even though we won't really understand what you're saying, yeah. I mean,
I can't
you can fool us.
Yeah,
you can fool us.
He doesn't want to. Okay. If you guys had to tell me a little about, Sandwich Forever, what would you say? Aahana, let's start with you.
Honestly, I never really get offered any comedies because I don't know why. Maybe it's written all over my face that I'm like this drama queen. So I only get like really serious roles. I get like maximum dramas, and that's exactly what I've like played off during like through my entire career. But I was very pleasantly surprised when when Sandwich Forever came to me. And I think what was really exciting was when they told my manager कि shoot days तो 15 होंगे लेकिन rehearsal के दिन 30 होंगे. So I was like, अरे ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Whether you look at any sitcom format anywhere in the world, it works on very quirky characters who have their own idiosyncrasies. And if you don't have those characters who are slightly whacked in some way or the other, then your series doesn't work. And I say, so even when it comes to Aahana's character, I mean, she's hyper competitive. She is, she's super sporty. She's not a control freak, but she's full of energy. And so, and then you contrast that with my character who's completely lazy, who's only concerned with, when he's going to eat, when he's going to sleep, when he's going to play his video games. And then of course our parents who, like someone's talking to plants, someone is listening to walls, someone is praying to pyramids, someone is trying to be a lawyer. So I'm saying that you've had these characters who are all so whacked in their own way, and that is what audiences will take back finally, is not what was the plot of that episode or what was the plot of this episode. It is these characters, and that's what we got to work on as actors, and that's what sold it for me.
I'm pretty sure that people are going to enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed chatting with the two of you. Thank you so much. And I'm really looking forward to it. And all the very best and a very happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Kunnu.
Bye. See you in a bit.
Bye.